So our friends at Clutch Masters have gifted us something this holiday season, and I can't wait to get into it. Just before Christmas, I get to open gifts already, so we're gonna dive in right away. Ooh. So it is a whole clutch kit and some stickers. Damn, this looks cool and heavy. This is pre-assembled, which is neat. So there's a lightweight flywheel. Lightweight is a relative term when you're holding things like this. And of course, the beautiful white Clutch Masters pressure plate. And then inside is your clutch disc. You can see it through the top there. Very cool stuff. And if I'm not mistaken, this is for the 1.5 liter Honda Civic, so the new Civics. Also included in the kit, clutch alignment tool, very important. If it doesn't come with one of these, you're in trouble. And a bearing of some sort, I have to assume is the clutch throwout bearing. So it's nice of them to include that as well.
Do you love Maine?
So it is the whole package. I think we've got some more stuff as well. So they've included a new master cylinder bracket. Doesn't have the actual reservoir on it. Maybe that's in here somewhere. This definitely looks heavy duty compared to your OEM equipment. Stainless steel lines, always appreciated. Ready for all the weather and all the abuse. Some hose as well. And, oh, look at that. And a cap. So I assume, based on what's in here, you're gonna be reusing the reservoir from your OEM setup, but you're gonna have this really sweet new Clutch Masters cap, and of course, the much better master cylinder, courtesy of Clutch Masters and Willwood, looking closer. Because it came fully assembled the way it did, we're gonna crack this thing open just so you can see all the moving parts. Note that these will not be hand loosenable when you install it. In fact, they've included this sweet little chart of all the torque specs for all the hardware on this thing, so you can install this flawlessly. Should be able to just lift this pressure plate. All right. So one of Clutch Masters' highly touted things about their clutches is the high leverage pressure plate. So you can see the inner workings of this thing back here. Definitely very heavy duty. This is the real star of the show here. This is your clutch plate. It uses 8 pads on each side, and this is gonna give you all sorts of improved clamp load. I think it's about 110% improved carrying capacity, and it's only gonna sacrifice a little bit of your drivability. So it's still ample use for a daily driver. Weekend warriors, this is gonna be something you guys are interested in if you take your car to the track a little bit, or if you're just into the spirited driving and the hard clutch feel as well. And then of course, lightweight flywheel. Not sure exactly how much this thing weighs, but it's definitely lighter than your OEM flywheel, I can tell you that much. So if you are a 1.5 liter turbo Civic owner and you like to take your car to the track, be sure to check out clutchmasters.com and see what's available for you.